AI is completely changing my photo editing workflow. I mean, look at this photo of Mia Brooks, for example. Back in the days, to remove this second rider, I would have had to take this area right here from this second photo, use the clone tool for most of the sky, and then fix the small imperfections manually. But that's not anymore the way to do it. Now, we can select this second rider and type remove snow border. And boom, the rider is gone and the box has been fixed. Of course, this tool is by no means perfect. In fact, this thing right here shouldn't be there. But we can simply choose a different variation. Perfect. Now the photo is looking much better, but I was probably a bit too close. So let's add some content on the sides. So first we need a flatten layer, and then we can use the crop tool to select the size of our new canvas. I think this should be enough. Now we can select our photo, click Command-Shift-I to invert our selection, and then use once again the Generative Fill feature to fill in the parts of our photos that are missing. I mean, look at this photo. In just a couple of minutes we went from this to this. Isn't it amazing?